Okay, YouTube, it's time for another random moment. As you can see, I have rings on, and that can pose a bit of difficulty if you're trying to do this. So, rings free, let's do it again. As you can see, there is nothing in my hands. No whistle or anything. You just go. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and comfy, my bottle. Comfortable bottle. Comfy, my bottle. And you put your lips on your knuckles. And make sure it's angled like this. There should be no gaps except for between your knuckles there. See how you can see a gap there? That gap? That should be the only opening in your hands. Okay? So your bottom lip goes underneath your knuckles and your top lip rests on top of it like this. Now you don't have to do it hard or until you're lightheaded. It should not be that difficult. Look. That's just lightly. Do it hard though. Now, with your pinky here, hello, lift it up and down while you're doing it, and you'll get different sounds. Or you could do it like this. When you do it, you might get a bit of saliva in your hands, or they might get a bit moist or sticky. That's normal, don't panic about it. Stop giggling. It's not like that. You perverts. It's so dirty. You internet and your dirty minds. But if you do it without rings, it's a lot better. And it makes a lot easier because when you're wearing rings, there's a little gap there. It makes it a bit awkward. You can still do it, but it might be a bit more difficult. So that's another random moment. Thank you for enjoying this. Also, with your hands, you don't have to have a deadly grip or anything. You don't have to be holding it together till your fingers go red or white or blue. It's just going to be together firm enough so no air gets out between your fingers. Because the only opening you want is between your thumbs. Okay. Thank you for watching this random video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, my hair is blue. See? blue, 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 blue. And at some point I will dye the rest of it this colour, because this is my colour, this is me, this is awesome. Blue is not colour, it's a way of life.